Hey guys, this is Ian McDonald, and today I have a video for you that walks you through using Claude and this other website called Replit to build a landing page for your business, your brand, your whatever you'd like it to be for, through the prompts and through copying and pasting those into Replit. Everything should be here to make this as smooth of a process as possible. So I think that this is a super helpful resource for people to just build a website for whatever it might be. And yeah, this is the process that I use, and feel free to take what information is relevant for your business and paste that into your own code. But here we go. I'm going to walk you through it. Thanks. So here we are, we're in Claude. How can I help you? I have a prompt that I've already created. Give me a landing page for my business, Disruptive Solutions. This is an AI and automation company. Do not link to any external pages. Have it be a single page. Include an about section and contact section. Give this page cool styling and allow it to be usable within your artifacts window. So we will run this and see what it gives us. You can provide more context about your company, your brand, whatever, to better build this website for yourself. I'm just keeping it general, and we'll see what it gives us. Okay. Meanwhile, what we're going to do is set up our Replit, create a new REPL. We are going to have next.js as our template. And we'll do website demo 1, because I've already done one of these. Create. While that's creating, here we go. I have our beautiful artifacts window website. And what I'm going to ask Claude to do for us now is to break the code for the landing page into a TSX file and a CSS file. Ensure everything is present for us to run this in a next.js project in Replit, where there are ESLint rules. I want to deploy this without any issues, and we'll see what it gives us. So the reason I'm asking it for these specific things is I've tried to film this a couple times and I've ran into hiccups, and I just want to provide you the prompts so you will run into as few issues as possible. So if you just follow these prompts here, hopefully you will get code that runs without error. And the thing is in coding you're going to run into errors often, and using Claude or using ChatGPT to try and iron those out will be perfect. We might run into that here, so let's see. Alright, so we have our two files, our TSX file here. We are going to look at the code, we'll come down here, we'll copy its contents, and then hop back into Replit. We're going to go to our pages folder, and then our index.tsx file. Everything in here we're going to erase, take out, and then come up here to the top, and we see it's created a path for our styles. I'm going to change that up a bit, so we got that, and then we're going to go into our styles, and then home.module.css. So if you do it exactly like this, with the / style / all that, it should pull the CSS from the proper location. So here's our CSS. Copy it back into Replit and click into our styles folder, our home.module.css file. Everything here we're going to erase, copy, paste, and we'll hit run and hope that this works for us. Sweet, it did. All right, so this is our website. To deploy this to the internet, we're going to click this button that says deploy. Here, we'll do set up your deployment, auto scale is perfect, and then approve and configure build settings, perfect. We'll have an address that we like, so disruptive demo, and then deploy. Here's where I ran into some issues before. If we do, that's okay, we'll work through it. We'll see if my prompting helped. So this linting, that's where I reworked that prompt to negate that issue or error that was being thrown. And it looks like it's working, so that's great. It takes a little bit, maybe like 1, 2, 3, at the max, maybe 5 minutes for this to load. So I'll give it just a couple more seconds, and if not, then nice. Okay, it looks like we have a website. I'm going to click this, and it should pull up our brand new website. There it is. Alright guys, there you have it. There's my video for building a landing page for your website using Claude and Replit. Of course, there's a lot more complexity you could add to something like this as far as making that contact form work or adding a section about services that your company provides. That's all done through continuing to ask Claude or ChatGPT for code and copying that, pasting that in, following its directions, and building something that is totally custom and unique, and you made it with your own hands. It's a cheaper alternative to Wix, to Squarespace, and you're capable of doing it. I've been doing stuff like this since January, and I am very impressed with how far I've come as far as creating projects like this. So I'd love to hear how this went for you. If you have any questions, send me a message, leave a comment. My name's Ian McDonald again, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.